Hello everyone. Today we will see how to use Jira app on mobile step by step. First of all, install the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store on your device. Once the app is installed, tap on the icon to open it. When the app opens, you will be asked to log in if you already have an account or sign up to get started. For new users, Jira allows you to sign up using the available methods. Choose the option that suits you and continue. Confirm your email address and enter your full name, then tap on Create Your Account. Tap on Continue again, and you will be taken to a new page where you need to create your site name. Make sure the name is unique and available. Once selected, tap on the Create Site button, and the site will start creating. On the next page, enter your space name first. I am using a demo name for this tutorial. After that, select a template from the provided list. I am choosing the custom template, but you can explore other options as well. The space key will be generated automatically based on your space name. Finally, tap on Create Space. Within a few moments, you will land on your site spaces. From the bottom menu, tap on the home icon. Here you will find quick access to your workspace at the top. A board section will be open from your space, allowing you to track task progress and team activity across different sections. From the top left side, tap on the three-line icon to open the menu. Here you will find options such as Summary, All Work, Calendar, Forms, Timeline, and Settings. You can also swipe left to view work progress. In the Settings option, you will see your space name and the Features section. Tap on it to view the list of available features. You can scroll through the list and use the toggle switch to enable features for your space. As you can see, Reports has now been added. In this tutorial, we will focus on the board, which is commonly used. To create a new task, select a section. I am creating a task in the To-Do section, so tap on the plus icon, enter your task name, and tap on Done to save it. Once the task is created, you need to assign it to your team and track its progress. Tap on the task to open it. Next to the task name, tap on the person icon to assign the task. A list of team members will appear on the screen. Select a team member to assign the task. At the top, you can see who has viewed the task, and you can also add attachments. Tap on the three dots to access more options, where you can copy the task link to share with others, add a flag to mark the task as urgent, add a description to provide instructions, and include additional details for your team. Go back to the board page, and you can move the task between different sections to track its progress until it is completed. Now, from the bottom menu, tap on All Work. Here you will see a list of all active and completed tasks. Move to the Dashboards page where you can view tasks assigned by your team, related project lists, and your activity stream. Next, open the Notifications tab. Here you will receive all messages from your team members, including mentions and direct messages. Finally, go back to the home page and tap on the profile icon from the top left side. Here you will find settings and support options from Jira. This is a simple and short overview of the Jira mobile app. I hope this was helpful for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.